how to use the speed curve tool, basically having some parts of your video play super slow and then super fast like this right here. This is the VN Video Editor app. I'll show you where to go to find this and how to use it. So you have your base video and you want to make some changes to the main speed or speed shift. So you'll look for the speed icon here, and of course make sure you have that particular video selected. And by that, if you're working with multiple videos here, you want to make sure you have this video selected or the other one that you want to work with. And then these tools will apply to the selected video, okay? So once you're ready now, you look for the speed tool, which is this one here. And as you enter into it, you'll notice it's going to say curve and regular. So regular basically allows your video to have an overall change in speed or slow, okay? But if you want to use that shift, that curve, this is where you want to go. So first, take this white line here and just kind of pause it at first. And then you're going to now go ahead and long press and add some dots, which is going to be adding your shift points, okay? So when you long press one area here, you'll notice it's going to say add story. Make sure you tap on that. That's going to leave that newly inserted point, okay? And just go ahead and insert as much as you think you might need. You can go back and add some more. It's totally up to you, okay? But I'm just going to show you now how it works. And I'll just do a few parts here. So you'll long press here, okay? You can actually do it from the top, okay? All right. So maybe there is a limit to it. So let's just say I want the first part to be super fast, and then I want this upcoming part to be super slow, and then we're going to drop back up to fast, and then it's going to go down like that. Okay, now you got to place it here and just give yourself a little preview as to how this is going to work. Notice how everything is so slow, and then it's going to speed up. Okay, so you've been looking for that speed shift tool here. That's where you would go and add yourself some of those pointers there and use that speed shift to your advantage. And once you're done, just press the check mark and then save the video as that, like and so.